I'm sitting in my car at the Quality Inn Hotel waiting for Justin to show up. I'm a little early to install a repeater. So I've got out one of my favorites, very favorite devices, which is the WizMesh tag. And I keep this in my pocket on me. It's just on me all the time. Because I'm at home, I have a repeater on my roof. I connect to the mesh really easily. But I'm trying a message from location here at the hotel, and I'll show you the results. All right, as you can see, I just sent out a test message from the Quality Inn Hotel in IF, and it shows sent, but it did not hit a repeater like my previous message did, where it says heard one repeat. So here from the hotel, I am not able to hit any of the other now 22 repeaters that are on the Idaho Falls area mesh. I will try this again once we have that repeater installed. It usually takes around 24 hours or so for a repeater to kind of find the mesh, but I'll give that another try down here in the parking lot after that install. So I'm looking forward to Justin getting here and getting that installed and testing it and expanding the net here on the west side of Idaho Falls. Here I am again with Justin and Dave on the top of a hotel here in Idaho Falls, putting up another repeater. From behind me is going north, and you may be able to see, yes, to my left here, the Iona Hill, which is where we put up the original repeater here with Justin about 7 weeks ago. This morning, if we would have been out here a little earlier, this would have been the 22nd repeater, but Jeff in Pocatello put up a Meshcore repeater this morning about 30 minutes ago. So this is now the 23rd repeater for Meshcore in Idaho Falls. Let's take a look around. Dave is setting up the repeater here. I've not seen this particular brand, haven't tested it. So this was at a different location. Justin donated it here, and we're going to get some great coverage here on the west side of Idaho Falls. Right now I'm looking south, and then now we're going over to the east, and so basically Idaho Falls is now between two repeaters, the Iona Hill repeater and this repeater. We have another repeater that's being donated that's going up over to the airport, and that'll be northwest of here and give us even better coverage. So we're up on the Quality Inn Hotel, the round hotel in Idaho Falls, increasing the coverage of the network here in Idaho Falls. And I have, I think as of this morning, 83 contacts of devices here in the Idaho Falls area, and that's going from Rexburg, Rigby, Idaho Falls, down to Shelley, Firth, and Goshen. Are we already done? Wow, that was very fast. So Dave's already down the hole. It's cold up here, and we're going. I already got a message that my device found a new repeater, so it's already working. We are very excited about this. All right, so tell us what you're doing here, Justin.
I'm just going to go in and make sure administratively we are set. So then we can request status. I'm logged in as the admin. Noise floor is good. We've got packets sent. We can go over to the settings and try to get a sync. This takes, there we go. So we're going to advert.
Nice.
So we just sent an advert out. Let's double check our settings for advert on 0 hop with no repeaters.
Should be 60.
Should be 60 minutes.
Maybe because well, even the concrete.
Yeah, the concrete, we're right below it.
Yeah.
3 hours for the flood.
Nice.
Position should be set. I already set that. We sync the clock. We look at neighbors. It probably won't. Oh,
look at that.
It's already saw Stonebrook already.
Stonebrook rocks, you know?
Yep.
Right in the middle of the city.
And so Stonebrook is there. We're sitting at 78% battery. Temperature out there is cold,
as Dave said.
It is cold.
And we should be good.
So the only thing we want to do now is just add it to the internet map.
Yeah.
So let me just do that, show people how to do that. So we're just going to go back to my device. We're going to see the repeater here. We're going to click share, and we're going to upload to internet map. It's going to ask me if I want to do that. I'm going to say yes. It should give me a confirmation here. Oh, I've got 87 contacts, and it's been added to the internet map. So now it's not going to be some unknown repeater.
So we should see.
And you can just hit it, yeah.
Got into the Iona repeater, just solid there.
Sweet.
That just improved our link
Yes.
immensely.
Yep, perfect. So that was a pretty quick, easy install, Dave.
Not hard at all.
I mean, I'm trying to do a video, and you're already climbing down the ladder. It was done. It was done. Yeah. So you just did a test for the Iona repeater, and you were able to log in to the repeater in Iona Hill from this repeater here.
Yep.
That's going to be a huge connectivity. That's going to be so big. So, are you happy with the growth here in Idaho Falls in the last 7 weeks?
Yeah, it's exploded, and everybody that joins makes the network better. So
Yes. Yeah.
our next repeater is going to be in Rigby. So hopefully we bring up another repeater in Rigby this weekend.
And that'll make even a better link up to Plano and Rexburg.
Yep.
Yes. So I'm meeting with the Shelley City Council in 2 weeks, getting permission to put a repeater up on their antenna tower, hopefully. And then we're meeting with the owner of the Firth Mill, so we can get a repeater up on top of his tower there. So we're working our way south as we're working our way north. We're gonna be connected to Utah and Twin Falls and Boise, and we're doing it. Awesome. All right. Well, as you can see, a new repeater was discovered on my phone. I'm back down in the parking lot with my WizMesh tag node in my pocket. I'm going to go over here and go to public, and I'm going to do a test here. I'm going to send another test. I'm going to just long press on that and click send again and see if it's sent. And look, it heard 2 repeaters. Awesome. And let's take a look at what the repeaters are. It heard, yeah, Justin's repeater that he has in his car, but there it is, the IF downtown repeater at 12.0 dB. That's rock solid. All right, Idaho Falls, you are now covered with a repeater from the northeast and one here from the west. I think we're gonna have great reception. I got to get it off this and start calling some people and seeing if they can now reach out where they were on the west side and weren't able to do so earlier. Lots going on with Meshcore. If this is new to you, please take a look at my playlist entitled Meshcore Made Easy. I have lots of videos on different devices that I've tested, on installs, on how to do things like add contents, how to do encryption, build channels, groups, and so forth. So take a look at those. You'll see the links down below this video. Also, all the devices I've tested and liked, I have links down below this video. If you're going to buy a device and you're looking for something that has been tested in real life situations and is going to be dependable in an emergency, take a look at those links. They support this channel, and you're going to get good quality products at the absolute best pricing. I just had to show this. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm now inside the car wash and messaging with my tag with the internal antenna. This is just too cool. Having the repeaters up makes all the difference. This is David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper. Very excited today. This is a big step, a big repeater for the Idaho Falls area. We don't need a lot of them, and the higher they are, the fewer we need. So thanks for watching. Look forward to your comments and questions down below, and see you on the next video.